So, could I possibly be convicted of murder? Hi, I'm Ty Smith, Oklahoma City area attorney with Worth Law. And this is important. This is arguably the biggest offense an individual could commit is first-degree murder. And as the name might suggest, if there's a first degree, there logically has to be some degrees following it. In Oklahoma, it's broken up into 2 degrees, first and second degree. That's what we're going to cover today. So, first-degree murder requires a law school term known as malice of forethought, or some type of premeditation for your killing someone. Okay, there has to be a death of someone else for it to be murder, and premeditation, of course, means some type of planning, like you planned to do an act that would kill someone. Okay, now malice of forethought's a bit more amorphous because that essentially means you have the ill intent to kill someone else, right? And that can occur instantaneously, really. It can occur in a moment. You can decide, I'm going to kill this person, and then go through with that, okay? Typically, for murder 1, the punishment is going to be life in prison. Death in Oklahoma is it's not a super common way to be punished by it, but it does happen. And lastly, this isn't typically in Oklahoma. Life is considered 45 years, at least by the Parole and Correction Board. So you have to have served 85% of your sentence, which is 45 years if you get life with the possibility of parole before you're eligible for parole. Okay. Now you can also get you can also get murder 1 if you kill someone in the commission of what is an inherently dangerous felony, such as robbery, burglary, rape. And this is known as felony murder, okay? You killed someone in the course of committing an inherently dangerous felony. That's going to merit the exact same punishment as if you had just committed first-degree murder. So I won't rehash that. Next up, logically, is second-degree murder. Second-degree murder is where you kill someone by doing an activity that is imminently dangerous. That's the statutory language. And you don't have to have intended or planned to have to kill someone. You just had to have done an activity that was imminently dangerous. A lot of time, like maybe a good example is shooting into a building. You didn't know there are people in there, but shooting into a possibly occupied building is imminently dangerous. And so that'll land you a murder too. Yeah. And that one is slightly less. The minimum is 10 years in prison. The max is life. Once more, same as before. That's typically treated as 45 years, unless it's without the possibility of parole. And you have to serve 85% of that before you're eligible for parole, if you are eligible for that. If you would like to talk more about murder, I can talk to you about that, or I can talk to you about any criminal law matter. Once more, I'm Ty Smith, Oklahoma City area attorney with Worth Law, and you can find me at theoklahomacityatttorney.com, or you can call my office at 405-888-5400, and I'd be glad to speak to you about these things. I thank you for your time, and I look forward to hearing from you.